Did you try trading crypto but lost money? Would you like to know when to buy and sell in the crypto market? Looking for the next 50 times or 100 times crypto investment? Would you like to receive winning crypto trading signals instantly? Do you want to network with other winning traders? Join the Crypto Millionaire Fastlane VIP trading group today. Go to cryptomillion.co to join now.
Welcome to Crypto Millionaire Academy. Guys, thank you for following the channel. Today's video is about the Binance Smart Chain DeFi ecosystem. The Binance Smart Chain DeFi ecosystem is growing very fast. It has doubled in value in the past 4 days. I think it was like 4 billion, now it's 8 billion. I want to make sure you guys understand that if you're looking for the next 100x coin or the next big crypto gains, they're going to be on Binance Smart Chain DeFi system. And it's happening very fast. I think we're having a huge switch right now from Ethereum to Binance DeFi, and it's happening at a rate that's unheard of. We may see over 20 billion in Binance DeFi by the end of next month, maybe even this month. The switch is happening very fast. Liquidity and money and funds have moved to Binance Smart Chain DeFi at a rate I haven't seen before ever in crypto. The money is really moving to Binance Chain. Because I think Ethereum's high fees and slow times, everyone is tired of Ethereum. I'm going to give you some reasons why Binance Chain is becoming the ideal protocol for DeFi products. So in January, BSC generated 15 million in transaction volume and became the third largest blockchain by daily unique active wallets. Just 6 months after its launch, Binance Smart Chain looks set to rival the Ethereum blockchain, according to a report published by DappRadar. In terms of unique active wallets, BSC rose to overtake Wax and EOS in January and is now the third largest chain with 50,000 active wallets per day, surpassed only by Tron and Ethereum, which now have 68,000. I wanted to show you guys this too. DappRadar is a site that gives you a preview of the dApps that are actually being used, and this is what they gave a report about a Binance Smart Chain, saying Binance Smart Chain generated 15 million in terms of transactions volumes in January. They're at 24 billion in February and counting. Binance Smart Chain is just really overtaken Ethereum, and it has happened really fast. And a lot of people are starting to see that Binance Smart Chain is now becoming the default, chain. It's becoming one of the main competitors to Ethereum. People have moved over very fast. PancakeSwap, which is a Binance chain #1 DeFi app, already has over 3.9 in transaction volume. So PancakeSwap, a decentralized exchange built on Binance Smart Chain, has generated over 3.9 billion in transaction volume over the last 30 days. 2,000% growth over month to month. That's amazing when you see 2,000% growth. Let's just go real quickly. Binance Smart Chain has quickly become one of the strongest contenders to Ethereum blockchain. Although there are currently 66 dApps listed on Binance Smart Chain, tracked by DappRadar, a couple of projects are actively changing the leaderboard in the world of DeFi. At the moment, we are seeing increasing transaction volumes in the unique active wallets, but this could be very well just the beginning of the BSC era. New investments initiatives might help strengthen the position of Binance Smart Chain even more in the future. BSC generated 15 million in terms of transaction volumes in January, 24 billion in February and counting. The chain is the third largest blockchain in terms of unique wallets, with 50,000 at the moment of writing. Venus has become the biggest dApp on BSC in January with 14 billion in transaction volumes. At the moment of writing, Venus positioned itself in the #1 position in terms of transaction volumes, thanks to more than 24 billion in the last 7 days. PancakeSwap is the second largest dApp in terms of unique active wallet across the entire DeFi industry at the moment of writing. So, Binance Chain getting closer to Ethereum heights. Looking at the active user base of the top blockchains, Binance Chain's already surpassed Wax and EOS in January. At the moment, Binance Smart Chain has more than 50,000 active wallets. That is huge. It's right behind Ethereum. It's only been out for 6 months. We've seen the BNB token go from 122 to like almost 190. Demand for BNB is growing as people need to use it to get onto the Binance chain, and then volumes are growing as well. Like we said, PancakeSwap 1 billion, and then Venus has generated 14 billion in terms of total transaction volume. Venus was responsible for the lion's share volume. Venus is now the largest DApp in terms of transaction volumes according to DApp Radar rankings. So Venus, within the last 7 days, has generated more than $24 billion. At the same time, Uniswap, which is one of the largest dApps on the Ethereum blockchain, has generated just $8 billion. So the money has changed. In terms of active wallets, PancakeSwap climbed into second place. It's only 12,000 users behind Uniswap. So you have all of these things that show that Binance is getting ahead of Ethereum. Now Binance is building a bridge to Polkadot. Announced a $10 billion fund to support projects in the Polkadot ecosystem. So that's going to be used. In summary, Binance is taking over. Really, Binance is taking over in summary. So you guys are going to need to learn how to get onto the Binance Smart Chain and how to use it to configure it to get into. This is the DeFi landscape, and you're going to need to get on some of these projects. I'm going to do a video for the top 5 of these projects, and also in my group, in the VIP group, I'll show you guys in the VIP group the projects I think that could do 100x. In the VIP group, that would be there at cryptomillion.co. I'll give you guys the projects that I think can do 100x, the projects that can make a lot of gains. I'll put that in the VIP group at cryptomillion.co. But yeah, the Binance is going to probably overtake Ethereum as the preferred choice for DeFi. And that's used because that's where the money is, right? So it even says here, DeepThrive thrives on Binance Smart Chain as users fee exorbitant ETH fee. That was a week ago. So, and then I also saw an article where we had the article where, these two, a couple of days ago, 2 native Ethereum protocols are headed to Binance Smart Chain, but critics doubt the layer 1 has staying power. So Ethereum devs grumble as Harvest Finance and Value DeFi eye Binance Smart Chain. So those are 2 big projects that decided, hey, we're going to move to Binance Smart Chain. Harvest Finance has over 830 million in total value locked. And they say, hey, we're going to move to Binance Smart Chain because it moves faster and the transactions are cheaper. And people want that. And I think that's going to happen more and more. Now, DeFi Station shows you the total value locked in Binance Smart Chain as 8.35 billion. If you look at this on February 10th, which is 8 days ago, we were at 4 billion. So over $4 billion have flowed into Binance Smart Chain because now in 8 days we're at $8 billion. So from 8 days later, we're at 4 billion more, and now there's over $8 billion locked in Binance Smart Chain. As you can see here, 3.2 billion is locked in Venus, PancakeSwap 2.7 billion, AutoFarm 1 billion. Binance Smart Chain is moving at an incredibly fast pace here as it goes forward in the future. We can expect big things out of Binance as this continues to move in a forward way very quickly. So DeFi thrives on Binance Smart Chain as users free Ethereum because of the high fees and the slow transaction times. But it just shows Binance is definitely flipping. And it's easy because a lot of people already have Binance. Binance is the users crypto ecosystem in the world, and people are already moving there as well. And the bridge from Binance to Ethereum is very easy because they have BSC is EVM compatible, which makes it easier for people to just use, to come right over, as well as MetaMask. You can use that, so you can use all of your current tools. So big news. Binance Smart Chain, your next, and these are the top DeFi apps on Binance Smart Chain right now according to DApp Radar. They are PancakeSwap with 43k users, AutoFarm 7k, ApeSwap 5k, Pancake Bunny, JewelSwap, Venus. But I wanted to show you the volumes. If you look at the volumes here, Venus 16 billion, AutoFarm 12 billion, PancakeSwap 585 million. The volumes are pretty big as well on these things. All right, guys. So that's Binance Smart Chain. I didn't get into all of the articles. I just wanted to give you an overview. But the transaction speed, the cheap transactions, the interoperability makes Binance Smart Chain the ideal place for DeFi to take off. And that's exactly what's happening. the Binance DeFi ecosystem is growing at an exponential rate and it's taking over Ethereum, and it's happening very fast. I mean, if that rate of growth continues to happen, 4 billion every 8 days, by the end of next month, we could be at over $20 billion in volume for Binance Smart Chain, which would be half of Ethereum over the next month. So the change is happening very fast, and I believe that the next 100x coin will be found in Binance Smart Chain. If you want to see.
Did you try trading crypto but lost money? Would you like to know when to buy and sell in the crypto market? Looking for the next 50 times or 100 times crypto investment? Would you like to receive winning crypto trading signals instantly? Do you want to network with other winning traders? Join the Crypto Millionaire Fastlane VIP trading group today. Go to cryptomillion.co to join now.